Still using the same old product grid that looks outdated, loads slow, and barely converts? Your products deserve better. With ShopLentor's Product Grid modern layout, this widget gives you everything. A clean card-style layout, advanced product filters, smart badges like sale and new, and interactive hover effects that make your products come alive. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. Head to ShopLentor, Settings, Elements, find Product Grid, Modern, and toggle it on to activate. Next, go to ShopLentor, Template Builder, and click Add New Template. Fill in the pop-up form, template name, for example, shop page. Select your type, and select which editor you want to use, Elementor or Gutenberg. In this case, I'm choosing Elementor as the editor. Make sure to enable Set Default so this becomes your active template. You can also pick a sample layout right here, like Product Grid, Modern, to get a head start. Once everything looks good, click Save Settings and then select Edit with Elementor to begin customizing your design. Then, inside Elementor, search for WL Product Grid, Modern, and drag it into your section. Your products will instantly appear in a default grid layout. Now, let's make this grid your own. The fun part begins. Start with Query Settings. This is where you decide what your customers actually see. Want to show your latest arrivals? Your top sellers? Or just the products on sale? You're in control. Filter by category, tag, or stock status, and sort everything by date, title, or price. Next up, Layout Settings. This is your canvas. Choose the grid type, number of columns, and spacing until it feels just right. Go tight and bold or wide and elegant. It's your call. Under Display Settings, decide what deserves the spotlight. Show off the product image, price, title, or rating. Even add quick action buttons like Add to Cart, Wishlist, or Quick View to make shopping effortless. Now for some flair, badge settings. Give your products personality with eye-catching tags like sale, new, or trending. Experiment with colors, shapes, and positions to make your best items pop instantly. And if you really want your store to feel alive, try the motion effects. Add a subtle lift, a smooth fade, or a bold zoom when customers hover. It's that small touch that makes people stop scrolling and start shopping. Finally, under Advanced Settings, control how visitors explore your products. Choose between numbered pagination, load more, or the ultra-smooth infinite scroll for a seamless browsing experience. When your content feels perfect, it's time to style it like a pro. Head over to the Style tab. Tweak container backgrounds, image borders, typography, badges, and button effects. From spacing to hover animations, every detail adapts to your brand's personality. By the time you're done, you'll have a grid that not only looks modern, it feels alive. When you're done, click Publish, refresh your shop page, and see your modern product grid in action. Smooth, responsive, and built to convert. Stop settling for ordinary. Create a high-performing, visually stunning WooCommerce product grid with ShopLentor's Product Grid, modern layout. And give your store the look it deserves. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.